those of you who wants to study in Italy, this is best for you, because as you can get language schools in Germany, you can get language schools in Spain. You know, Spain is a bit expensive, Germany is a bit expensive, but the salary is different. It's different at that places or those places as well. But Italy, if you want to jackpot to Italy, if you want to just go to Italy right now, this is the best for you, because they have Istrasia, all right, language courses more over here. So let's go to here, all right. So international student, language requirement, no, not here. Okay, let's go a little bit down, okay. So international course offering, no. Yes, this Italian course offering. Okay, so let me check something. So that is it, Italian course offering. So click on it. All right, so translate. Remember to always translate to English. Let's put it on English. Okay, so let's click on that again, Italian course offering. All right, translate. So there is it, Italian language for Erasmus. Okay, so you click on it, Italian language for Erasmus. So this is Italian language for Erasmus. Now, in order to facilitate the integration of mobility and foreign students at University of Palermo, the Italian language for the University of Palermo organized Italian language course for incoming Erasmus Plus students. All right, so you can just click on that. So let's see something. Who can participate? These courses are aimed at all foreign students on a steady mobility at the University of Palermo. All right, so you can be part because you are also a student. Enrollment in this course is done by sending a form, this form, and the Erasmus document to the following email. All right, so do just that. Okay, so when the course takes place, let's see, the course takes place January to February, winter schools, April, May. I mean, anytime, okay, anytime. Let's see the course price. So for students of Erasmus Extra EU program, international credit mobility, the course is subject to a free €100. Okay, the recognition of the 3 CFU will be issued only with the total attendance equal to 80% of the lesson hours, 32 hours of presence out of 40 hours. Okay, so it's useful. So location, all right, so you can see, just check everything. Okay, yes. So now let's see how to register. So to register, you click the forms will open something like this. Okay, so this is the form. All right, so the form has opened, and then you fill everything, and then you save it and you send it to this email. Now remember the Erasmus document. If you don't understand the Erasmus document, let me know in the comment section. I'll explain more to you.